You know that Bitcoin is king and why is Ethereum the queen right after this video and why it has the huge potential. What is Ethereum? Let me ask the creator of Ethereum, Vitalik, real quick.
Hey Bit,
Yeah.
what's Ethereum?
So Ethereum is a general purpose blockchain. So unlike other blockchains like Bitcoin, for example, that are just designed around one application, so the way that Bitcoin is designed around digital money, Ethereum is an open platform that allows people to build their own applications on top.
Thank you very much, Vitalik. Ethereum came out in 2015 and it got driven by a big crypto community. It came so close in June 2017 to flip Bitcoin in market volume. Ethereum was more like a program that runs code for decentralized applications, just like your Node services. Ether is the currency that fuels the network and used to pay for code execution, and there is the Ethereum virtual machine for running decentralized applications. In 2020, Ethereum was the home for thousands of the apps that fueled the DeFi summer, from Compound to Maker to Yearn Finance. Ethereum has no cap limit on the numbers of mined Ethereum, so validators were able to gain a lot of profit. But after the EIP 1559 upgrade, users have gained the upper hand by tipping more for gas to prioritize their transactions. The number one NFT exchange OpenSea was on Ethereum. At the same time, over 2 million Ethereum token burned, deflationary, which will trigger a supply shortage even though there's no cap on market limit. Enterprise Ethereum Alliance (EEA) was the team that assembled to serve the interests of business on blockchain, push adoption even faster. In 2022, there will be a big event where the merge will allow Ethereum transition from proof of work to proof of stake. 90% of Ethereum supply will be deducted. There can only be 500k Ethereum be created each year, 2.3% linear deflationary. I heard some rumor that Ethereum will flip Bitcoin after the fork this year. Do you believe in the flipping? Let me know in the comments.